Hello, this is Rashid from ITLec. Today I'll show you how to copy many-to-many records from one entity to another. Okay, so let's here see the solution. We have here one entity called entity 1 and entity 2 and entity 3. Okay, so if we come here, this entity here, entity 1, this one. Okay, so here the entity 1 has a relation with entity 2. Here we can select whatever we want. Okay, and in the screen of the entity 1 there is a lookup. Okay, this lookup related to entity 3. Okay, so this is entity 3, so let's make it entity 3. Sorry about that. Okay, so if we come here, let's refresh it. Okay, so all our targets right now, we want this entity 1 has relationship with entity 2 many-to-many, and this entity 3 has a relationship between entity 3 itself and entity 2. So we wanted to copy those things from here to this one. Okay, so how to do it? We can do it using this workflow. Okay, so first thing, this is the ITLec workflow. You can check it in our site. Okay, this is here. It takes nothing, there is no input parameters, and here's the lookup. This lookup, I just make this to get the information related to this lookup. Okay, so here this lookup will return to me the name of the entity 3, which is entity 3, and this the ID, geo ID, and here is the lookup field name, this one, the field name. Okay, and after we got those information, yes, we now here this one. Okay, this is the most important one, to be copied entity name. So we wanted to copy this entity 2. Okay, so this is entity 2, source entity name. This one we want to copy from entity 1, okay, to entity 2. So instead of I write it, I just use the workflow to get to me the same ID here. Okay, to make it simpler, and it fit for a lot of business. Instead of write the name, you can get the name automatically from the current record, which is the file, the workflow fired on top of it. Okay, here's the source entity ID, this record. Okay, this one, there's ID, and the same I am using the workflow. Okay, so here is most important one, source intersect entity name. Okay, this is one, source intersect entity name. So let's come here, how to get it. If you come here, source, let's go to, this is the source entity 1, there's a relation. So here we want, sorry about that, yes, we want source intersect entity name, so it should be this one. Okay, relationship entity name. Okay, and we copy it here, and target entity name, I'm using the lookup to bring to me this one, entity 3, and the ID of this entity using the same lookup helper. Okay, and here is the target relationship name. The target relationship name, the target is entity 3. Let's go to end to end. Let's come here, target relationship name. This is the relationship name. Try to not confuse about relationship name and relationship entity name. Okay. Okay, so that is it, all our workflow. I make it let's back it to it. I make it like we can call it, okay, as an on-demand process. Okay, so let's come here, let's make sure there is no records here. We have here two. Let's run workflow, sorry, this one, add. Okay, and now let's go and check. Okay, it copies. Okay, thank you. Okay, related to the source code is here. You can download the file managed, and I will insert the unmanaged. Maybe someone wanted to try things, but make sure unmanaged, it is easier to remove, and unmanaged, it is, you know, more harder. Okay, and related to DLL, which is used in this, it's available in the same GitHub. You can use it, and it's free. Thank you for watching.